Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some fixing, and in particular it's the Windows 11 installation. The current version of Windows 11 does not allow local accounts. Microsoft are determined that everyone with Windows 11 will have an online account. Also, Windows 11 has very specific hardware requirements. So today I'm going to show you how to bypass all of this. So basically this is a two-stage operation. First of all, we will download Windows 11, and secondly we will download a utility app called RUFUS. Stage 1, you need to open up your internet browser, and if you do a quick Google search for a Windows 11 download, then just click on the link to the Microsoft website. And on this page here, you want to just make sure that you scroll down to the very bottom. And in this box, you want to pick the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click Confirm. And then it will ask you for your preferred language installation. So just pick whichever one is appropriate. But one thing to bear in mind here is there are two English installations. One is English United States and the other one is English International. If you are in the United Kingdom, then you want the English International option. Once you have selected your language, just click Confirm. Then just click the 64-bit download and wait till that's finished. Now part 2 of the operation is RUFUS. Again, just head over to Google. Then do a quick search for RUFUS. That's RUFUS, just as it sounds, RUFUS. The top one here is the one we're after. On this page, just scroll down to the downloads section. And the top one there is RUFUS 4.11.exe. And wait till that downloads. After you have both of these downloaded, you need to find yourself a USB stick so that we can do the final part of the install. Microsoft do recommend at least an 8GB stick, but I would say a 16 is probably preferable. Once you have your USB stick plugged in, we need to launch the RUFUS program. So just double click from your downloads folder and then click yes, and you will be presented with this window. From here, go up to the button that says Select, then locate the Windows 11 ISO that we just downloaded. Click on Open. At this point, you can pretty much leave everything else as it is. Just go down and click on the Start button. Another window will open. You should see that 2 of the options are already ticked. The top one is bypassing the Microsoft checks. And the next one is removing the Microsoft online account requirements. I also like to tick the regional account option. I also click the one that says disable data collection. And I also tick the one that says disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. We then click OK and OK again. This may take some time to complete, but when it's finished, you'll see the green bar says ready. So next we have to take your USB stick and plug it into the computer you are installing Windows 11 onto. If you're installing this on a clean hard drive, then it should boot straight from USB stick, but if it doesn't, then you will need to go into your BIOS settings just to make a few changes. To enter the BIOS, it's usually the delete key or the F2 key, but it will depend on the motherboard. Then once you've found the relevant key, you should be presented with a screen something like this. Also, please ignore the red chassis fan warning. We'll save that for another video. From here, you'll need to find the option for boot or boot order. And as you can see from my current hardware, that this is not a Windows 11 compatible system. But we shall persevere. My BIOS allows me to pick which drive I want to boot from. Then we just hit any key to install Windows, and after a few minutes we will end up at the Windows 11 setup window. The language to install and time and currency format are fine for me, but obviously choose which is relevant to you. Then click Next. The same with the keyboard or input method. Then we click on I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings, just so we can progress on to the next page. Here, if you do have a product key, you can type it in, but I am just clicking on I don't have a product key. It then asks you which version you would like to install, then just accept the terms and conditions on the next screen. That brings us to the drive setup page. Here you'll notice on my screen that I have disk O, and there's 3 partitions, and there's disk 1 with 2 partitions. Disk O is my current hard drive, and disk 1 is the USB drive. So I'm going to delete the 3 partitions that's on disk O so that the drive is completely clean. Then we click Next, and then we click Install. The computer will now run through the Windows installation phase, and this probably takes some time. Eventually it will boot up to this screen here. Then just come down and click on the button that says I don't have internet. Stick in your name. A password if you want one. Then click Next, and job's done. So there we have a Windows 11 install on a local account on an unsupported system. Hopefully you guys have found this tutorial helpful. I will be doing more tutorials like this. So bye for now, and thanks for watching.